Climawarm markets itself like the superhero of heaters. NASA-inspired technology heats a room in 90 seconds, cuts energy bills by 90%, and whisper-quiet instant warmth. Sounds impressive? Or suspicious? We're about to find out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because if you're considering the Climawarm heater to save you from winter shivers and wallet chills, you need this brutally honest breakdown before you plug in. Let's start with the science. A tiny plug-in heater cannot heat an entire room by 50 degrees Fahrenheit in 90 seconds. Physics simply won't allow it. Small ceramic heaters warm the air directly in front of them, not the whole room. So yes, your toes might feel tropical, but the rest of the room will still feel like Antarctica. Next, customer reviews and product history. There is no official Trustpilot page for Climawarm Heater. Instead, people complain about these types of heaters across scam watch forums because the same exact device appears on Alibaba and other wholesale sites for under $10. Companies rebrand it, slap on big discounts, and run aggressive ads every winter. A very common problem? Shipping delays, cheap build quality, units arriving damaged, heaters that barely warm a small corner, refunds that feel like chasing your shadow. So if you've seen this heater under names like HeatCore, EcoHeat, Warm Air Pro, Heatwave X, or Arctic Heater, you're not imagining things. It's the same product wearing different wigs. Now let's talk about their boldest claim. Cut energy bills by 90%. Nope. All electric heaters are about 99% energy efficient, meaning almost all electricity becomes heat. There's no secret NASA magic, no hidden microreactor, no thermal miracle. It's just standard ceramic heating. So the only thing this heater will slash by 90% is your expectations. Climawarm is like that friend who swears they'll help you move, but shows up with no boxes, no plan, and leaves early. Looks helpful, but performs terribly. Bottom line, if you want a tiny personal desk heater for close-up warmth, it can work, but it's wildly overpriced for what it actually is. If you're expecting it to heat your whole room, save your electricity, or save your winter, keep dreaming. For more brutally honest, funny, and wallet-protecting product reviews, smash that like and subscribe.